Welcome, my friends, to another lesson all about fractions with operations. I bet you've been adding your subtractions and subtracting your fractions, but have you tried multiplying your fractions yet? And I bet you've multiplied whole numbers, but what do we do with these fractions, all these pieces of things, right? It's a good question. Why don't we start with a fifth? And let's write that down. The numerator tells us we only have one of these 5 pieces. That's sort of annoying. So let's multiply it. And what would you like to multiply it by? 4. It's a pretty nice start. 1/5 times 4. Well, we have one of them. And now we have it taken twice. And taken 3 times. And taken 4 times. So now we have 4 of them. We've multiplied 1/5 by 4. Let's put them together and see what we can make. It hasn't really made anything extra special. We still just have, 4/5. Pretty easy, right? But what if we multiplied that? That might be pretty cool. Ooh, let's try it. 4/5. Now we have 4 of those fifths. How fantastic. And what would you like to multiply this? Okay, we'll start simple. We'll start with a 2. 4/5 times 2. Well, that means we've already got 4/5 taken once. It means we have to take it a second time. So let's get another one out there. There we go. 4/5 times 2. Taken once and taken twice. But we've got to combine this together somehow to make it a little easier to see. And what do you see now? Do you see this right here? Are you thinking about your equivalence work? I bet you are. What is that? We got a whole pie right here. How fantastic is that? And what is left over? 3 of those fifths. Well, altogether, how many fifths did we have? Go ahead and count all those out. And let's write that down first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 fifths. But this is what we call an improper fraction. Its top is way heavier than its bottom, and we can do something with that, especially if you were paying attention to that little bit of equivalence we just performed there. What do you see now? 1 whole and 3 fifths. And we can write that as well. We could say 8 fifths is equal big 1, 3 fifths. And this is what we call a mixed fraction. And it's probably going to happen a lot to you as you start to multiply these fractions up. Pretty amazing, huh? And now think if you did like 9/10 times 7. You'd have quite a lot of wholes there to mix in. Well, I can see that you're ready for your explorations of fractions, but I'm wondering, did you notice anything about what changed when we multiplied? Did anything even happen to the denominator? No, it's still exactly the same. Even in our mixed fraction, we still have fifths. Nothing changed except for the numerator. Pretty cool, right? Well, go out there and multiply your fractions and have fun, friends.